Timi went to school. Timi saw Timi's friend. Timi waved at Timi's friend. That sounds so funny.
Pronoun problem detected.
Hi friends, I'm Timi. And I'm Robo. Come along, let's explore. Today we're learning about pronouns.
A pronoun is a word that replaces a noun. So instead of saying Timi again and again,
We can say she. That sounds much better. These are subject pronouns. They tell us who is doing the action. Examples are, she runs, he jumps, it barks, they play, we learn, I read.
if Timi is reading, do we say Timi is reading or she is reading? Yes, she is reading.
I threw the ball to John.
Instead of John, we can say him.
Object pronouns include me, you, him, her, it, us, them.
If I help Bella, can I say I help she or I help her?
Correct, I help her.
Question 1. David is my friend. Dash is kind.
He!
The dog is barking. Dash is loud.
It's!
Coco and Timi are dancing. Dash are happy.
They! Pronouns replace a name so we don't repeat the same. He and she and it and they make our sentence clear. Me and you and us and them. Grammar stars, remember them. Today we learned that pronouns replace nouns.
They make sentences smoother and better.